We've just had a delivery from our publishers, Proctor and Clarke, and it's really exciting, and I haven't seen any of this before, so I'm going to open it up. A John Dyer, it's a tea towel. Tea towel, shall I open it? Nice card. Wow, look at that. That is so nice. Tea towel by myself of St Justin Roseland. That's really nice, look at that. A saucy one there by John Dyer. Cornish tea time. That would be a nice tea towel for the kitchen. Wow, look, placemat. Or for something for putting something hot on your work surface in the kitchen. That's so nice. It's a lovely mug of Koverack. Look, beautifully packaged, and that's of St Justin Roseland. Coasters goes very nicely with the placemat. They're stuck together because they're magnets. Look, and that's a nice one. That can go straight on the fridge. That is so exciting. Look at all these lovely things.